How to buy GNC products. First, search GNC on Google. Then go to its official website. Then click on Create Account or Sign In. Then click on Sign In. Sign in with your email address and password. After sign in, click on Crazy Deals. You will see all the bundle offer of GNC products. Then click on Wellness tab. You will get all the section of protein or creatine powder of GNC. You can also buy multivitamin, fish oil and omega, minerals, Ayurveda herbs and etc. If I want to buy this 100% protein, click on this product. Then on this page, click on Add to Cart. After that, click on Checkout. In this page, complete the payment. That's it. Thanks for watching.